And a county manager accused in a kickback scheme has her day in court, but the attorneys and judge don't want us to know what happened.
Good afternoon. Torrance County Manager Joy Ansley and her friend, estancia contractor Chris Valdez, are facing multiple fraud-related charges for allegedly misusing taxpayer money. Their preliminary hearing was supposed to be open to the public today, but a judge sealed it, keeping us out. News 13's Chris McKee is in the Newsplex with more.
Yeah, Kim, the judge hasn't provided any explanation as to why he closed today's hearing, which is really to decide if there's even enough evidence to take the allegations against Ansley and Valdez to trial. While we weren't able to go in, new paperwork outlines exactly what they're accused of.
It's a mystery as to why these doors are closed or what happened inside of Judge Kenneth Martinez's Bernalillo District courtroom today. No one was allowed in, and the people at the center of it, Torrance County Manager Joy Ansley and estancia contractor Chris Valdez, aren't talking. But this new paperwork sheds light on why both Ansley and Valdez are facing 10 criminal counts, including fraud, making or permitting false public vouchers, and conspiracy to commit fraud. Ansley and Valdez allegedly added work to several county construction projects, and according to investigators, Ansley approved overpayment in several cases. In March, state auditors told News 13 about some of its findings.
What we found was nearly $1 million in questionable purchases that did not go through a competitive bidding process.
According to a probable cause statement, investigators focused on 4 projects from 2007 to 08, including the Torrance Fire Station, a playground next to that, the Durand Fire Substation, and a storage area for county voting machines. All projects completed by Valdez's CCS Construction Company. According to court documents, with the Torrance Fire Station, the original contract was for more than $79,000. In the end, 7 different additions were made, costing an extra $177,000. The state claims some of that work had inflated prices. Investigators say the price for another project for voting machine storage went from a $23,000 to $167,000 job due to more additions. State investigators also wrote Ansley did not follow county rules governing how construction project changes should be addressed in either advertisement or payment.
Now, all 3 Torrance County commissioners stood outside the courtroom today saying they were there to support Ansley. They wouldn't comment any further, though. Ansley tried to resign earlier this year, but commissioners did not accept her resignation. Kim, back to you.
Okay, thanks, Chris. Now, the preliminary hearings are supposed to last through Wednesday. Typically, these types of hearings are open to the public. News 13 is pursuing a legal challenge in order to gain access.